What's going on, guys? Big Time 110 here. Today I want to show you guys the Wyze floor lamp. Now I pre-ordered this thing probably like a month or two ago. Just received it recently, like a week ago, so haven't had time to open it up and set it up, but we're gonna do it today, and let's check it out. So I have my trusty opening knife here, my unboxing knife, and we're gonna look at what's inside. Okay, harder than I thought. There you go. Let's switch it around here. And let's see. There you go. That seems to do the trick. Put this to the side. Okay. Alright. Wow. One big box in a big box. So what am I gonna do here? How am I gonna get this thing out? This is how. Alright. Let's throw this somewhere else. Okay, and it looks, oh, okay, you know what? It looks here like it has an app for Android and Apple, I mean. And they said there were not gonna be no app, you're gonna have a Bluetooth controller. So I'm glad that it has a Google Play app. So let's see. So you can see Wyze floor lamp. Now this thing is not expensive. It's about 30 bucks, but it looks really nice and it has a Bluetooth smart remote. That's what they're calling it. So let's go ahead and continue opening this thing. We have some plastic here. There you go. Right. It's pretty heavy. There you go. Alright. There you go. So we get a retro projector, it says here. I don't know what it is. It has instructions. We'll see what this is later, but it's some sort of I guess device you put on the lamp itself. Okay, for that retro projected thing, because it looks like it's shapes. Alright, I'm gonna set that to the side, put it here. We got our quick start installation guide here. Probably not gonna need to read it too much. I mean, it's pretty simple. You just, we'll see if we need it. Put it here for now. Okay, so here we have the lamp itself. Okay, looks like it's that. This looks like the cover or the hood of the lamp. What else? That's the base. Okay, let me put some of this aside. Okay, the base is really heavy. This is the base. Let me put this here for now. Okay, you get a battery in here along with the control knob right here. This is little control knob, so you could dim it, turn it on and off. We're gonna put this to the side here, and let's see what else comes in here. I think that's everything. So let me move this to the side. Oh, and you usually get a stick like this when you know, pre-order something. It says I backed the Wyze floor lamp. I got some for the thermometer. I got some for other stuff that I backed, but either way. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this to the side there, and let's start building this thing. Okay, so this thing has like a nice soft velvet material for your floor, so it won't mess up your floor. And let's see here, what do we have? What do we have here? This should go like this. I think this goes like this. Yep, it goes like this. Okay, so let me go ahead and take all this stuff out. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna bring it down here. Alright, now where's the remote? Here we have the remote here. Alright, here we go. Let's put in this one battery. And it also has plastic, so make sure you take that off. If not, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Okay. Alright, so first things first. Let me see, how do I pair that to the remote? Oh wait, there's a switch on the bottom. There's a switch right here. There you go. See? See how nice and bright that is? It's really nice and bright. And it gives you like a spotlight. Now this, okay, apparently we're supposed to hold it in until that flashes. And then there's a button right here on the side. Okay, I guess this is pairing. Now you have a blue light. So now, see that? Oh, okay. See? Easy to pair. Now let me just point it at you guys. And press the knob, it goes down. Turn it up. Just look at that. And best of all, no wires. So you could have it anywhere in your house. Look. And if you want to lose it, you could stick it, you know, to your lamp. You could put it on your desk here. Put it on your desk and just look at that. It's pretty bright. And again, this here is flexible, so you could just angle it however you want, you know, however you want to face it, you know. So if you're reading a book, you know, in the corner, somewhere sitting down, look at that. I'm actually pretty impressed. For 30 bucks, it's not bad. Not bad. This is why I kind of like a lot Wyze as a company, because they make inexpensive products that actually work. And they put a lot of thought in them. Hopefully they continue that trend and we get better products. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for checking it out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. This video is not sponsored by Wyze in any way, but if they want to, you know where to reach me. But that's it, guys. This is the Wyze lamp. If you're looking for, you know, a new lamp that's not, you know, too expensive, and you need something that you want to be able to control and dim, here you go, the Wyze floor lamp. So $30 in the website. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.